Snowflakes bobbled like hummingbirds. Sky was gray as a battleship's hull was a filthy mat. Sky's marshy, clotted light. Saw Cyrillic whirls of dog pee in the snowbanks. Rumpled, tiered, tremendous, sagging snowbanks. Snow lapped and ridged in the manner of an enormous, hoary toenail. Wind sped snow into encephalograms along sidewalks. Streets were littered with little tablets, wafers of snow. The snow glowed as though blanketing a second sunken city. Parallel, interred, glowed as though the earth's fierce core sought to break through its crust. Wind whipped flecks of snow, staying like shorn fingernails, fragments of picked-apart styrofoam cups. People were hunched, resembled tombstones, wobbled like wheeled columns, faces red of spanked buttocks. Snow sped like minnows, slush the color of cappuccino. Snow leapt up from the wheels of cars like schools of, sounding reversed, fish. Snowy trees, sommeliers, Pythian priestesses, naked as Job, skinny as olive oil, as Maasai, trees muscly as centaurs. I tramped through the park. The paths vanished. Rock outcropping were squatting golems. Halfway through the park I stopped, exhausted, the explorer realizing too late his delusions, his folly.